is an all-in-one decarb/activating and infusion machine. To turn it on, you're going to want to plug it in, and the on switch is on the side. Here we go. On. You'll see the screen light up, and from here you can select activate, which is for special herbs, or you can infuse, and today we are going to be infusing garlic, parsley, and basil, which I dried in my oven, in our jumbo pod, which goes inside the basin. So let's get started. This jumbo pod holds a lot, and these pods are perfect because they let the flavor out. You can get the flavor infused in your oil, but not a bunch of particles. There we go. Top goes on. Then we've got our glass basin here. Nice solid lid. The silicone stirrer is at the bottom, the magnetic stirrer. You're gonna find that inside the jumbo pod when you first get this, so just take it out, put it right in the middle. This can go actually anywhere at all. It just hangs off the side. And you just wanna be sure when you put your lid on that the notch matches up with where that is hanging. Gonna put it right on in. Now, if this was flour, you would just hit activate. LÄVO C has one activate cycle. It can't be customized. It is perfect for what it needs to be. So I'm going to hit infuse, and I want my time. So right now it is set for 30 minutes. I'm just gonna hold my finger down, and I want this to be very, very flavorful. So I'm gonna do about 3 hours. And then the temperature, this is just a touch screen. I'm gonna go up to 200 degrees for garlic. Here. Okay, and then we've gotta add some oil. So we have our own LÄVO coconut avocado blend. All right, and you can see that this one, 4 cups in here. This is 4 cups. This actually isn't even as full as LÄVO C can go. It can go a little bit higher. But it's completely got my jumbo pod submerged, which is what we need to make sure our herbs don't burn. Put that right on there. The stirrer is in place, and oh, here it goes. It's warming up. It will take about 15 to 25 minutes to warm up till it hits the temperature that you selected. That's the same for the activate cycle. Just keep your herb in there, let it warm up, it'll do its thing, and it'll tell you when it's done. A reminder to not touch the hot heat plate when you pull this off at the end, when it's done infusing. For that, we make silicone trivets. To make sure that you don't set the hot basin down and ruin your countertops or anything like that, you can put this basin right on the trivet. Let's show you like this to protect your countertops.